Hi, we're gonna try to feed the birds now. Okay? Julie, can you see it?
Not yet.
Here, I'll try to feed them. Or you do. Julie, hurry.
Open up your mouth. Open up your mouth, little birdies.
Julie, do you want me to try?
That's fine.
Because I almost got them last time.
Go, little birdies.
Julie, we can't see them. We can only see your hand.
Oh, crap. It just fell somewhere. Oh, got it.
Alright, you heard it. You hold it.
Hold what?
The laptop. Julia.
No, I want to feed them. You can feed the next time.
Alright. Can I try after you?
Yeah. Once I get this in their mouth.
Alright, hurry.
I have to wait for them to actually open up their mouth.
They opened it up when I started shoving it.
Come on, little bird. Yummy. Come on.
Julie, can I try?
After. Come on, birdies.
Here, come on, please.
Who wants a nice big juicy worm? Fine.
It's not juicy. Julia, hold it.
It's not big either. Wow, your laptop's a mess.
Oh, sorry. We've been out here this whole time.
They can hear you, you know.
Oh my god.
Get it. Drop it.
I can't.
Oh no. Here, take it off.
Oh my god.
Is it eating it?
No. It dropped.
Get it.
I'll get another one. We can't touch
Oh my god, quick. All of them are opening their mouth.
Oh my god. Oh, where's the worm? Where's the other worm?
Right there.
Right there.
Right there where my foot is. Oh, you just missed it.
Oh my god, I just ripped it in half.
Good. Come on, birdies. Okay, quick. Trap. Oh my god, it ate it. It's waiting for more. Okay. You got it? Okay, come on, birdie. Okay, go.
Oh, I dropped it.
Oh, crap.
Alright, you're stepping on it.
I am. I'm stepping on it. No, it's right there, Patsy.
Yes.
That is... It wants
So
more, but we don't have any more worms.
Oh my goodness. I dropped one in your mouth. It's still in there. Did you eat it?
Those keep watching the bird. You go find another worm. Like, just stay like right down there, though. See, there's the robin, the baby robin, one asking for more food.
Keep them occupied.
Who? The birds or the people?
Audience.
Oh, okay. And so see, it actually thinks that word's mother, since as you can see, the eyes are like not open yet because they probably just hatched and stuff. You can see the veins and everything. It's just a really beautiful sight. So Kenzie's out right now getting some more worms to feed the hungry little.
The mama bird.
Yeah, she's like the mama bird, and I'm like also the mama bird.
We're co-mamas.
No, yeah, sure. Yeah, and so Kenzie's just finding more words for the hungry little birdies. Cold and hungry, and they're just beautiful. And so,
I'm not gonna find any more.
hurry, Kenzie! And so this might take a few moments. Kenzie has to dig everywhere to find a few worms. It never used to be this hard to find. Bring it!
I dropped it.
Then pick it up.
I can't find it.
Find another one. Kenzie almost found one, except she dropped it. So there she goes again, trying to find another. Kenzie, just find another worm. There she goes, trying to find another one. Except you can't see her good. Oh, see, look at those birds. They're just so hungry. sorry about that. There's trains that go by often in Kenzie's backyard. Oh, she found two. You better not drop them, Kenzie. She's coming with two of them. Oh, look at those birds. They're so hungry. Here, see, one's waking up. Another one might wake up. Come on, Kenzie. It's crying for food. We'll give that birdie some food in just a second. Come on, birdie. Come on. Yeah. Don't wrap it.
Dropped it. Oh, wait, no, I didn't.
Now we just have to wait for the bird to make its move again. Don't wrap it around. Do it over here.
Okay.
So. No, wait till the bird actually comes up first.
Come on.
Come on, little birdie.
We have worms. Hey, it worked.
And there goes the bird eating its worm and asking for more. And there's Kenzie. And oh, you just missed the bird. Don't drop it on its head.
Come on. Birdie, here's some food. Worm.
It doesn't speak English. It speaks bird language.
Birdie.
Oh my gosh.
Julia,
What? Talk.
No, seriously.
Seriously.
Julia, don't make me get mad at you. It's a special moment.
Come on, birdies. Come on. Come on, birds.
Oh my God, it's bleeding on me. I'm
Birds
so washing my hands after this. Come on. Alright, I'm gonna get a bigger one. Can they swallow a bigger one?
I don't know. But I think that one bird, when you dropped the worm, it's trying to eat it now. When should we end the movie? It's already like 7 minutes long. Oh my God. Quick, 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 quick. Oh! Get one, quick!
No, I'm flying.
And it went back down. Don't drop this one, kids.
I'm trying not to. Hey. Come on, birdie. Come on. No, you want it. Come on. Come on, birdie.
What did you just do?
Move the nest.
Why'd you move the nest?
Because it worked last time.
Oh. Just shake the branch.
You're making me shake the branch.
Kenzie, they can't see the bird.
Come on. Come on, let's it. Okay, 1 second. After this one worm.
Okay. Oh, come on, Kenzie, and you were complaining that I was taking so long. You've taken over 5 minutes.
No, I haven't.
Yes, you have. Oh, sorry, you're right. You've taken over 7 minutes.
Yeah, but I've given him a lot of worms.
Yeah, one, and then you dropped one on one of the heads.
No, I gave him like 5 worms. Like bite size.
Whatever. Kenzie, it's okay. They're not going to eat it. Is that worm like eating the robin?
Oh no. Oh no.
Okay, we're ending it now, okay?
Okay, 1 second. Alright, you can end it.
Okay. It's already.
Hi.
Oh, wait, never mind. Okay, and so,
That was some birds eating.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
See ya.
Oh, should I stop it now?
Wouldn't want to be ya.
Should I stop it now?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Hold on, where's stop?